Dear student, today topic is concentrated and dilute acid. So, what is concentrated? What is concentration? What is dilute and what is dilution? Okay, all four are four different terms. Let's understand one by one. So, what happens actually? Let's see some examples here. Suppose I have 1 cup of water. 1 cup water we have. Okay. I am adding 1 spoon sugar. 1 spoon sugar. Okay. Scenario 2. Again I am taking 1 cup and this time I have 4 spoon sugar. So, what happens actually? I know that, see, amount of water is same in both the cup, but amount of sugar is different. So, here two things, one is solute and other is solvent. Then it forms solution. Okay. So, what happens actually? I will say that this one is dilute and this one is concentrated. Okay. How this one is dilute and this one is concentrated? What happens when it has light taste actually? If I taste this 1 spoon sugar with same amount of water, I will feel light taste. Here I will feel little bit stronger taste. Correct. I will say this is concentrated with respect to this one and this one is lighter, so this one is dilute with respect to that one. Understood? This time I defined dilute with respect to any other component, with respect to any other solution. Okay, there are so many ways to define the dilute and concentrated. Let's understand the next scenario. What happens actually? Scenario 2. There is a term called dilution. So, what is dilution? I have, just imagine I have this much amount of water, okay, and 1 spoon sugar. Correct. I added 1 spoon sugar here. I dissolved it, no problem. Now I am feeling sweet, it's okay. But what I feel is I don't like this much sweetness, so I want to decrease the sweetness. What will I do? I will add more water. I will dissolve. I will add more water, I will dissolve. Then what will happen? Sweetness, amount of sweetness will decrease. Its strength of sweetness will decrease. This process is called dilution. So, in dilution process what we do? We increase the amount of solvent as compared to the beginning. Understood what is the process of dilution? Okay. If I want, okay, understood dilution, let's understand the concentration part. Next scenario, I have this cup, okay, and same situation, I added 1 spoon sugar, and this much amount of water, okay. So, of course, I will add sugar, I will dissolve it, I will taste, I will feel sweet, correct. But I want more sweetness. So, what will I do? I will add more sugar. I will add 5-6 spoon sugar and I will dissolve it. What I am doing? I am increasing the concentration of sugar. Okay. So, this is how I increase the concentration. This is how I decrease the concentration. I mean, I diluted that. Okay. I concentrated it. What is concentrated solution and what is dilute solution? With respect to each other, I defined that. I hope you understood, you got little bit idea at least about the dilution and concentration. Okay. What is solute, what is solvent? Sugar is solute and water is solvent here. And whatever the formed syrup, that is solution. Okay. Dear student, now you are very much familiar with the term concentrated and dilute. I hope you understood this. Let's see one more example to understood concentration and dilution. What happened actually, once upon a time I went to my friend's house. As you know, I love to eat foods and drinks. So what he did, he prepared some special kind of drink for me, okay, and then he served me. I really liked it. I came to my home, I slept. Now time came, he came to my house, okay, and we are friends. He came to my house, and after that it's my turn to serve him a good delicious dish and drinks. What I did, understand that. I went to my rooftop. In my water tank, what I did, I added 2 spoon sugar in my water tank. My water tank capacity is 1000 liter and my water tank was full with water. I added 2 spoon sugar, and after that I called him, and from there I said that you go to my kitchen, open the tap, some delicious drinks will come out. You taste that. I made for you, I prepared for you. He went there, okay, and after that he opened the tap and he tried to taste that delicious drink. Dear student, what happened? I want to say, this time whatever I offered him as a drink, that is diluted solution. I hope you are very much familiar with the dilute and concentrated. Let's see the definition of dilute and concentrated acid now. Dilute acid contains a large amount of water. Of course, it should contain large amount of water, then only it will be dilute. A concentrated acid can be diluted. See, what is concentrated acid? Concentrated acid means acid amount is more with respect to water. Then it is concentrated acid. When acid amount is less, very less with respect to water, then it is dilute acid. Okay, but if you want to convert the concentrated solution to dilute solution, it's okay, you add water, it will convert into dilute. But how to convert the concentrated solution, I mean concentrated acid to dilute acid, is the question. You can never directly put more water and you can make it dilute, never ever do that, no, okay. There is a small process, we slowly do this, not directly. Detailed discussion is in ionic equilibrium in class 11th, okay. So similarly, in the same way, if we want to convert concentrated solution to dilute solution, of course we add water, okay. So this is what we studied today, concentrated and dilute acid, and what is the concept of dilution and concentrated. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you.